In this video, I'm going to show you the best strategy to make money with affiliate marketing on the Digistore24 affiliate network. And the best part is that this is going to be a free traffic method, so you can get started with the strategy right after this video. And since this is a free traffic strategy made for beginners, it doesn't matter where you're from, how old you are, or how much money is in your bank account. Which means anyone can do this, including you watching this video. So with that being all said, smash that like button below this video and let's get started right now. So the strategy that I'm going to show you today is the exact same method that I use online myself with multiple affiliate products that I promote with free marketing strategies. So this is just to show you guys that I actually do what I teach. So now before you sign up to Digistore24, or if you have an account already, this is what we're going to be doing, guys. So this is how we're going to be earning with Digistore. So step number one is register, right? You're going to create a free account. Step number two, you're going to select the product from the marketplace. Step number three, we're going to promote the product to your audience. And step four is we're going to earn commissions. So this is how we're going to be earning with Digistore. Now, obviously, there's over 8,000 products on the marketplace with over 44 niches. So click on register and just fill out all of this information. Guys, I'm not going to do it right now because I already have a free account, but make sure to fill in all this information correctly so you don't have any problems going down the line. So I'm going to log in for you guys and let's pick a product. So once you create an account, head over to the marketplace, and on the left side, you can see right here your niches or categories, what I like to call it. And you can see that there's 44 niches here on Digistore, from animals and pets all the way down to survival and trading products. So there's literally hundreds of offers that you can pick from. Now you can either go through each niche and look at the products, all right? So based on the niche that you're interested in, for example, if you're interested in, let's just say survival products, you can go to the survival niche, or you can do this and sort these by popularity or sales rank, right? And this gives you an idea of the best performing products on Digistore24, right? So the first product is Medicore. This is some type of health product, a supplement product. So if you look at the sales page, you can see what this product is all about. Now, I don't like to personally promote the top 5 products because there's way too much competition. Everyone's promoting them. So I like to go a bit deeper, right? So what I personally like to do is I like to go to a specific niche, and I have decided I'm going to go with the dating, love, and relationships niche in this video. So the dating and relationship niche is very, very popular online because a lot of men and women are divorced, single, and would like to find another partner, right? Some people struggle with dating, they get nervous, anxiety, and so on. So they buy products like this, for example, His Secret Obsession. This is a dating product that teaches you how to date, right? So this is a very, very lucrative niche that not many people are in, but it's very, very profitable. So if you look at this product, this has an average conversion rate of $30 with a commission rate of 90%. And obviously right now we're offering 90% commissions on our entire funnel, so you can make up to $180 per customer. So they don't have just one product, they have multiple upsells in their funnel. So this is something that you would want to promote. So you want to check if this product is popular, so just click on this icon and you can see that this is 4 stars. So 3 to 4 stars mean that it's very, very popular. A lot of people are making a lot of sales with this product. So let's check out the sales page, right? This is a video sales letter, obviously, and very, very simple. There's a timer. If somebody watches this short webinar or video or whatever sales video this is, a button is going to pop up after like 5 or 10 minutes. That's going to give you an option to purchase this product. So this video is made to convert. So this is a basic sales video. So what you want to do now is head over to the affiliate support page. So when you land on this page, you can see a lot of resources and promotional material that you can use in your marketing strategy, right? So you have promo links, email swipes, copywriting. So this is testimonials, hooks and angles, images and video ads. You have articles and landing pages. You have custom PDF reports that you can give away for free in return for email address. So you have paid traffic. You have targeting, demographics, you have everything on this website, right? So in just a second, I'm going to show you how to create an entire funnel based around this product so we can collect email addresses and follow up with our leads with an email sequence that we're going to copy from here, right? You can see that they have a pre-made 9 email sequence that you can use yourself. Just copy and paste. Obviously, I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of this for free. So now that we have a high converting product, we have to create a funnel around this product so we can collect email addresses, follow up with emails so we have a higher conversion rate, and make a bunch of commissions. So we're going to be using the tool called System.io. It's free forever. You don't even need a credit card, and they have 9 awesome tools. Like, this is like an all-in-one marketing platform. So as you can see, you can build sales funnels and you can do email marketing. They have a website builder, basically all-in-one tool that's 100% for free. When you click on pricing, you can see that they have a free plan, and you basically get all the tools and features that are also in the paid plan. So click the first link below this video to sign up. So after signing up, head over to funnels. These are all of my funnels that I use and I promote actively. And you can click on create new funnel, and you want to name this for your reference. So this is the dating offer, Digistore24, and click on build an audience, right? Click on create, and here's your squeeze page and your thank you page. Now we can remove this because we're going to be collecting emails, and after they give us their email address, we're going to be sending them to the sales page. So now you can scroll down and pick a theme that you like. So for example, you can go with this theme. I'm going to select and click on edit. So this is your System.io editor that we're going to be editing our opt-in page in. So head back over to the resources page and click on articles and landing pages, and you want to click on lead capture landing pages. So let's just look at the landing pages that they use to collect emails, and we're going to create a similar type of landing page. So let's just take a look at this one, right? You can open it. So this is the landing page that they use. So we're going to be doing something similar. So let's get started with the landing page. So guys, I'm going to speed up this process of me creating the landing page inside System.io. So watch me complete this entire landing page in just a few minutes.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, 1 eternity later.
So as you can see guys, it took me like just a few minutes to create this entire landing page, and if you ask me, if you preview it in a new window, it looks very, very similar to this one, almost identical. You know, if I put in some more time and effort, I would get it the same, but this is good enough. This is going to convert like crazy. So we're going to give away a free ebook for everyone that lands on this page, right? So we're going to go back to the resources page. When you click on articles and landing pages, here's your custom PDF report. And when you click on down here, right, you have the momentum method. So let's see if this is the one. Yes, the momentum method. So click on it, your Digistore ID, mine is Damien Belak, and click on I'm not a robot, and get personalized PDF, right? You can also add additional features, and you can pick which one you want, right? So generate personalized PDF. So this is it, right? So this is the PDF with my ClickBank, with my Digistore ID in here, right? Somewhere in here. So there's a button, click to actions in this PDF. So if someone clicks on a call to action in this PDF, I'm going to make a commission if someone makes a purchase, right? But this is the point, is to grab this free ebook and to give it away for free, right? So you want to click on settings, right? This is their last name and their first name. And now what you want to do is make sure that this is last name, and here is email address, right? So here you're collecting their name and your email address, right? You can click on save changes, click on back. So now to send the ebook to them, all you have to do is click on automation rules, click on add rule, funnel step from subscribe, and now click on add action, and the action is send email, right? So now we're going to send them the email with the PDF report to everyone that subscribes on that opt-in page. So click on this little icon, and now subject, here is your free ebook. So now click on download, right? Downloaded this to your desktop. Now go back to System.io and type something like, thank you for subscribing to our newsletter we have attached your free ebook below. Right, now just click on add attachment, choose file, and this is the document, right? So the momentum method. So now click on save. Sender name is Damien Belak, or whatever you want. You can use a whatever name you want, and click on save. So now click on funnel step from subscribed, click on add action, and now click on send email, and here is your email, here is your free ebook. Okay, and click on save rule, right? So every time somebody opts in on our landing page, on this page, enters their name and email address, they're gonna receive an email with the free PDF. Now guys, we forgot to do one thing on this page, and that is to edit this button, right? What do you want to do after somebody enters their email address and their name? What do we do next? Where do we send them? Well, that's very, very easy, and we send them to the affiliate sales page, right? So click on, send form. This is obvious. So we're going to send them the email address, and now to the next step, no, we're going to send them to a custom URL. So head back over to the affiliates resources page, click on promo links, enter your Digistore ID, all right, your tracking ID if you want one, and we're going to be sending them to the video sales letter. This one converts the best. So save my link in the affiliate area, or you can just copy it. All right, copy to clipboard, go back to system.io and paste the URL inside there. Right, now click on save changes, and now when you preview in a new tab and you enter your name and email address, you can test it out, okay? Just to make sure everything is okay, you can check it out, and when you click on yes, I'd like access, you can see that they are redirected to the affiliate sales page. All right, so they get a free ebook from us, and once they enter their email address and name, they get a free ebook, and then they get redirected to this page and they can watch this video. Now obviously not everyone's gonna buy after watching this video, but I can easily say that 5 to 10% of the people watching this video are gonna take this offer and purchase, and that's where you make a commission. Now that's not all, guys. We also need to send them the follow-up emails to make even more money. So click on emails, and here are 9 emails that you can use to follow up with them every single day. So let's just say you want to do this first email, right? We obviously have to go back to system.io, click on automation rules, and now once again click on funnel step from subscribed and add another action, and that is to send them to a campaign, right? So send them to a new campaign that we have to create. So go to emails, campaigns, click on create new campaign. So this is the dating Digistore24, right? Campaign, click on save, click on it, add an email, and here you want to start adding your emails, right? So I'm going to show you this with one email just to show you how easy it is. All right, so just go to the resources page. Here's your subject line. So next time your man shuts you down, do this. All right, paste it inside here. I mean here, guys, and this is your sender name. This is me, Damien Belak, right? And now you can click on classic editor and click on create. So here all you have to do is just copy this, okay, paste it inside here. This is your email. You can change the font, you can change the text, you can change the size. You can really just customize this if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it. And here you can see that next time your man shuts you down, link this too. All right, so obviously your affiliate ID, so click on link, and here you want to enter your affiliate URL. So just go back to your promo links, copy your link. Once again, I'm gonna do that for you guys just to show you how easy it is, and copy, paste it inside there, click on OK. Now click on save and publish, and we want to send this exactly when they give us their email address, so they can see 2 emails from us, the free ebook and this email. Okay, so click on publish, and now you can see that this email, next time your man shuts you out, do this, has 0 delay, so it's going to send out straight after they give us their email address. So you want to complete all of these 9 emails for best results. So just you can just duplicate this and change out the subject and the body of the email. Now go back to funnels, click on dating offer, right? And automation rules, click on funnel from subscribed, click on add action, subscribe to campaign, and when you click on choose campaign, you can see that the dating Digistore24 campaign is here. click on save rule, and now automatically it's going to add people to our custom Digistore24 dating campaign. So it's very, very, very easy to use. This is just a one-step funnel where we collect emails, we give away a free ebook, and then we follow up with emails. And for everyone that gives us our email address, they get redirected to the sales page that converts like crazy. So this exact page. So now all we have to do is promote this exact URL. So click on copy this link. So now it's time to make money with this funnel. All right, we're collecting leads, we're sending out follow-up emails, we're sending people to the video sales letter, and now it's time to get traffic to this page. So without traffic, this funnel is gonna make $0. So now it's time to get this link to as much people as possible. So there's a couple of options that we can use, but what I recommend for complete beginners, this is what I use myself. Head over to TikTok.com. This is a social media, it's huge, and you can get so much traffic with a simple TikTok account. All right, so this is Daily TIMR. This is an account posting videos without showing their face, without recording their voice. So this is an account that posts content about dating, relationships, psychology, and stuff like that. So this is in a great niche that our product is in, right? So this is what we want to do, right? So this account isn't showing their face, recording their voice, or anything like that. They're creating simple videos like this, all right? So attraction first, you're prone to start liking someone after becoming aware that they are also attracted to you, right? So this is a simple TikTok video. It's like 10 seconds long, and as you can see, it has 7,000 people, and you can promote your website, your funnel on TikTok. You can add it in your bio section, right? And you can create videos just like this. So this is just an idea for you guys. This is what I do. I have multiple TikTok accounts. I also have my own personal account where I promote my YouTube channel and stuff like that. But this works, guys. This works like a charm. And look at this. 9,000 views here, 7,000 views here. You know, if you upload every single day, one video, just one video every single day, I promise that you're gonna start seeing a bunch of sales rolling in. So guys, I can guarantee if you post one video daily, just like this, it's simple to create, right? All you have to do is get a background from Pexabay or something like that. You can re-upload content from Instagram. There's basically millions of content ideas around this niche. Now, once you have a TikTok account and you start posting content, you can re-upload them to Instagram, you can re-upload them to YouTube Shorts, you can re-upload them to Pinterest. So now with one video, you can diversify your social media traffic to over 4 social media networks, right? So you create one video on TikTok and you can re-upload that to Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and even Facebook Reels, right? Even Facebook has a new feature called Facebook Reels. So you have one piece of content on 5 different social media networks. I also got a comment about this the last time, and yes, absolutely, this is what you need to do to get as much traffic to your page as possible. So guys, this is really it. If you want this exact funnel, I'm gonna leave a share link below this video. So I'm gonna share this funnel with you guys. I'm gonna leave it below this video. So as you can see, I can click on share funnel and I can share this link with anyone I want, and they can copy it directly into their System.io account. This is 100% for free, guys. Free traffic, free tool. System.io is free, so there's absolutely no excuses. So I want you to get started right now. Start implementing the strategy. This stuff works, but you need to stay consistent. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to support this channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.